comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the rein.
I never do ponytails, so I figured let's do a ponytail. I have a huge head, so I never really actually wore a ponytail. If I did, they were a side part, but because this wig is, this closure is glued down, I don't want to take it off, so we're gonna do a faux ponytail on a wig. We're just gonna take the hair, we're gonna brush it out, and we're gonna just swoop, pull it on back nice and tight, and you can put a scrunchie on this joker. It's kind of tight. That's why you stay prepared. These are tight, and I have a lot of hair back here, so let's just pull this down. We're gonna pull this back here. Oh, that's actually better. Okay, perfect. And then you're gonna take the hair and you're gonna braid it as tightly as possible. Okay, now that this is braided, you're gonna fold it up, and I'm gonna wrap so you're gonna fold it in half. You're gonna take it and you're gonna fold it up so it's kind of short, and then I just tuck the tail around the ponytail like that. Then you're gonna take another scrunchie or rubber band, whatever you prefer, and put it around the tail of the braid. So you want to make it, you want to make sure that it's together like that. Boom. Okay, now my ponytail's to the side. You're gonna want to take another scrunchie and redo your ponytail, like just tighten your ponytail because it might be a little loose if you have grandma hands like me. So if you have grandma hands like me, you're just gonna take another scrunchie and just make the ponytail tighter again. Alright, voila. And then take that extra tail from when you folded it up, stick it under that. Stick it under. Boom. I already showed you guys how I detangled some old track, so I'm gonna go in with the longer one. I'm gonna make sure that they're doubled, the wefts are doubled. I'm gonna take a section of the hair like this, in the bottom piece, in that bottom loop of the scrunchie, and I'm gonna tuck the hair into the scrunchie. Like that. And then pull it so the hair is attached. Then you're going to just take the hair and loop it around. Take it. You're gonna want to pull nice and tight to make that to make the braid a little less bulky. I'm gonna give the illusion that there's more hair in the ponytail than there actually is. Now, if you're wearing this for one night, you don't necessarily have to bobby pin it. Now when you get up to this last piece, I just take a section and I, like you would do if you were at the top of the ponytail, and wrap it around. And then I'm gonna stick some pins in it, and then I'm gonna take the other bundle and keep going. And then boom, just let it fall. Then, so far we have ponytail, a nice long one. And going in with the second bundle. Now as we make our way on up towards the top, like you would do all ponytails, you take you a nice little chunk. And you just cover the base of that ponytail. Just gonna pull nice and tight. Want my Got to Be Free spray. I'm gonna just spray that on there. Twist it down. And voila. And this, y'all, is the finished look. Let me stand up so you can see how long this pony is. It's not giving y'all, it's not really giving you full justice because I am 6'2", so my pony is coming waist length. So we are giving dramatic, very dramatic vibes, but super, 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 super easy and quick. Something to do, something, you know, switch it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Vlogmas. I'll see y'all tomorrow, but stay cute and stay blessed.